Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. We are in the SQL injection path provided by the WebSecurityAcademy, and today we're gonna try to solve another lab. This is the SQL injection union attack, retrieving multiple values in a single column. So this lab contains a SQL injection vulnerability in the product category filter. The results from the query are returned in the application's response. You can use a union attack to retrieve data from other tables. The database contains a different table called users with columns called username and password. To solve the lab, perform a SQL injection union attack that retrieves all usernames and password and use the information to log in as the administrator user. So this is very similar to the previous lab, but in this one we are supposed to retrieve multiple values in the single column. We should use like a concatenation, right? So there is this thing in the Portswigger Academy, Portswigger SQL injection cheat sheet. Let's try this one. And this is, oh yeah, so the string concatenation, there are different databases. So if there are different databases, there can be different types of concatenation. As far as I know, the Web Security Academy uses PostgreSQL, so like those straight lines should be okay. So let's check it out. Let's access the lab. Okay, so we are in the lab. We know that here in the Portswigger Academy, the vulnerability is in the filter query. So let's go. Let's see how many columns are being returned. Let's union select null. This is not gonna work. So so we know there are two columns being returned by the original query. So we know that we should be looking for username and password from users, but it's probably not gonna work because we are supposed to like concentrate the response. So let's see what happens when it would do this. So there's an error. So let's go back, and we should be looking. We should do something like that. So we should be looking like username, then password. So let's try. Let's see how it's gonna work. Select username. Select username. Is this right? Yeah. Password from users. Let's see if it's gonna work. No, I think I messed it out. There should be a space here, I guess. Not really. It's like union select username. I don't think I'm not sure about those asterisks, because I'm afraid we're gonna like be returning simple strings. But let's see. Okay, it's not working like that. It's foobar here MySQL, and let's see whether we can insert something inside, like or maybe you know what, it should be like a username here. Next we should be, yeah, I messed up those asterisks. I'm sure it shouldn't be here. It's my bad. Whoops. Here, let's remove those from users. Okay, and it should be like that. We got this, and we can add something like a string that's gonna help us better view those results and see this one and password. Let's see. Okay, it's not working. Username, password. Okay, let's go back. Let's see a and null. Let's see whether the first column is a string. Okay, so we know that the first column is not a string. It gives us a lot of information. Let's simply just check the other one. Okay, now we know that the first column that's being returned is not a string, so we shouldn't be looking there. We should be looking here. So it should be like, we know that the first column, it can be a null. Let's go here. We should be doing something like username, and now here we can try, or maybe with a space. Let's try without a space. Now we can add a string that's gonna help us see the results, and password from users. Let's see this one. Okay, great. We got our results. So as you can see, I didn't check types of columns being returned. So I tried to insert like the first column as a string, and it didn't work. It's like probably a integer or something else. So now we know, and thanks to this tilde, we can see the results in a better view. So we know that there's this username and that's the password. So we should be looking at the administrator. Let's copy the password. Let's go to the my account with the login form, administrator, copy the password, paste the password here, login, and that's how we can solve the lab. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.